The latest from Rinna Beauty, Lisa Rinna's Glam Eye Looks. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel, things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, I just got this in from Rinna Beauty. Of course, that's Lisa Rinna, Real Housewife of Beverly Hills. Yep, that's her line. She's done her lip kits. Of course, she's famous for her big dramatic lips. She's also famous for her makeup as a whole. And the latest thing she came up with, an eye kit. I got the most dramatic one of the bunch. She came, I think there were 3 or 4 available. This is the one I chose. It's called Be Extra. So today I'm going to be a little bit extra. Demonstrate and give my overall opinion of Rinna eyes. Now before I get into the very newest products by Rinna Beauty, Rinna Eyes, I'm going to do my lips using the Delilah lip kit. Of course, Delilah is named after her oldest daughter. So this starts with the lip liner. I really love the texture and the smooth application of these like rollout liners. And the lipstick in this is a nice nude. When she designs her kits, she puts together colors that just go together perfectly. And this is the gloss. This is the Delilah kit. I'm going to put a link to that. I think that's my favorite of the lip kits, although I love the Heidi as well. Now on to the newest product, Lisa Rinna Eyes. And you know, Lisa always loves a dramatic eye. And in this kit, you know, you have the little palette, you had the eye crayon, and the mascara. Also, there's a little brush that comes with it. I'm actually going to use this brush today. I normally don't like the brushes that come with eyeshadow palettes. Most of them are really, quite frankly, a piece of crap. This is not bad. It's actually 2 ends, this sort of pointed end, and the sort of fluffy end. And this crayon, the one thing that was a slight disappointment, when I heard it was a crayon or a liner or something coming with it, I was kind of expecting like the thin liner that comes with the lip kits. But instead it's a thick crayon. You know, this thick crayon in the dark, the color is called Diamond Noir. It's sort of a sparkly black. So it's not really your ideal liner, again, unless you want to do the really dramatic smoky eye, which is what I'm going for today. Now tomorrow I'm going to do another look, and I'm actually going to show you another way that you can use this as a liner, but I am going to go big today. So I'm just going to take this and go along the lash line, above the lash. See, it's got a nice deep color tone to it. And then I'm going to go sort of at the top of the lash line on the lower lid. And it's definitely a really smoky look. I'm probably going to have to clean up a little bit. Okay, yeah, you notice it smudged a bit. I'm going to have to clean up a little bit. Just take a little bit of tissue and right in here where it's a little bit smudgy. All right, now on with the palette. So I'm going to just take this thick brush that came with the palette because it had, I think, the nice variety of colors, because I do, when I'm going with a dramatic eye, I usually like to showcase a little bit of color. But I'm going to start with this light shade. This is just, actually, I'm going to think I'll do this shade. But it's very much a shimmer. So I'm going to just start with the rich, rich shimmer and just go along the base with this. And it does have a lot of pigment in this colors. All right, now I'm going to take the more pointed end of the brush, and I'm going to go in with this blue a little bit and just use this along the edge into the crease line. It is a little stiffer than like the Angie Hot and Flashy brushes that I usually use, but it does make a nice crease brush. Of course, if I wanted, I could go all out blue with this, but I'm going to just keep the blue a little more subtle. Now I'm going to take one of the soft, fluffy brushes from the Angie Hot and Flashy kit. This is the blender brush, and I'm going to use this lighter shade and kind of blend everything together with this. And this gives you a lot of shine. Now, most of the other palettes were more subdued. You know, there was one that was more of a nude and one that was more grays. This one really is, if you want to sparkle and shine, like be extra. This is really the extra palette, and that's the one I'm trying first. So far I am liking it, but it is very, very extra. If you want to keep things subdued, it's probably would not be the one for you, but I am liking this. And tomorrow I will show you a way to be a little more subdued using this kit. But anyway, now the final touch is the mascara. And Rinna Beauty mascara is just called Lash Out. And I do like this. I really like the shape of this wand. And the formula is definitely very dramatic. Look how much it really enhances your lashes. Because I do not wear false lashes very often, but I do like a good mascara that really enhances my natural lashes. And this one definitely does it. Now I'm going to just use the edge here to go along the lower lash line. I do think this is going to be one of my favorite mascaras. Yeah, Lisa Rinna went all out with these products. You know, there's a lot of people going negative on Lisa Rinna right now. Of course, if you watch Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, she likes to bring on the drama. Of course, sometimes she can be just so nice, so fun. I enjoy watching her. I love her fashion sense, her makeup, just her overall style. Now, I know there are times I kind of want to just tell her to shut up, but would that make good drama, really? I know naturally if you're dealing with people and you hear somebody say things and you normally just maybe call them out on it, you forget and forgive. And Lisa likes to sometimes push it to the limit. Is it good for friendships in real life? Not really. But is it good for drama on a TV show? Yes, it is. And as a soap opera actress, she knows that. So, no, I do not think she's the meanest woman in Hollywood. I think she just knows drama and knows how to create it. So anyway, that's my take on Lisa Rinna. I love Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. I think they're the best dressed franchise. Anyway, I'm loving this palette. I'm loving everything I bought from Rinna Beauty so far. Well, I'm back a day later to show you how to use the Rinna Eye Kit for a more toned down look. The big key to this is what you do with this crayon. Yesterday, I used the crayon all around my eyes as liners, and it was a very bold, smoky look. Today, I still want to use it as a liner, but I want a more toned down look. So I'm taking a liner brush, and I'm just getting some of this onto the end of the brush. And now, get my palette mirror and just drawing along the lash line. That way you can use the same formula, but in a much softer, finer line. And I do the same thing with the lower lash line, just a little bit on here. Let's close this up now. And just go right along the lash line. So there we go, a more softer, natural liner look. Anyway, now I'm taking the brush that came with this again, going into the palette, and I'm just going to use this soft shimmer on my eyelids. Take a little more of the darker shimmer too, mix them together. And just getting a natural shimmery eye look. Now if I want to add a little tiny bit of drama, take this into this sort of dark red color and just go in the corner and up a little bit into the crease. And then I go back in with the light shimmer and blend it all together. There we have it, a soft eye look. And the final touch is again the Rinna mascara. And again, I love this mascara. You can add so much drama to your eyes just by using a nice thick full mascara. Okay, look is done. So you can see how I can use this to be extra, whether it be bold and extra or just a nice little shimmery extra. I really am glad I bought this. I think Lisa Rinna did a great job, and I highly recommend it. I may try one of the other kits as well. Well, that's the video for today. If you liked it, could you please give me the thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.